Hello everyone, my name is Somodip Tikadar. I am going to share a simple temperature calculator done by Python. I have used Spyder platform to do it. So here you can see. First I have used a string operator named str to get the input of the unit given by the user. Then I have checked that if it is C, Celsius, Fahrenheit or K. If this does not satisfy, then it will print as a error, this one. After that we have taken input the temperature by the user in all of them, this one and this one. Then we have asked the user to convert it into, if the input is Celsius, you can convert to Fahrenheit or Kelvin. We have asked it for Fahrenheit. We have asked the user to convert to get result in Celsius or Kelvin, and similarly for Kelvin, Fahrenheit or Celsius. That is these statements, this one and this one. Then we have checked if whether it is a Fahrenheit or Kelvin and have done the required calculation and printed the result. So this is a very small and easy program, but also very useful for converting. So here are the few results. Enter the unit of temperature. Here the user has given F Fahrenheit. Then the temperature as 546. So, and ask the user to convert it into Celsius or Kelvin. So user has given Kelvin, so the temperature in Kelvin in 568.705. The result, the user has given temperature as F -40. He want to convert it into Celsius, and the result is -40 Celsius. Similarly, the user has given Celsius as input and -45° temperature. So you want to convert into Kelvin, and the corresponding answer is 228.1. And lastly, he has given Kelvin and temperature as 5726, and you want to convert into Fahrenheit. So corresponding result in Fahrenheit is 9847.1300. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please do try this at home and comment me if there are any errors.